how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. So let's go for the tutorial. Let us open up our Instagram first. Okay, now that we have opened our Instagram, what we need to do is go to our profile by tapping on our profile icon in the bottom right. So after that, what you need to do is go to the three bars and go to settings and privacy. Once you are here, you may see an option notifications, so go on that, and you can see here you can pause all of the notifications. So if you want to temporarily pause the notifications, you can toggle on the option and select a time. Now you can see here the quiet mode, and in quiet mode you can turn it on, and you can also set a time for it to start, for it to when to start and when to stop. So that's it for this tutorial. Please subscribe and click on that bell icon on so you'll be updated in this channel. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.